Let's see what you got next, fridge. Not long now until it's all over. Wow, you have a lot of condiments and sauces, but where is your food? Is that a jar of Yoda head?
Yoda? What did you do to Yoda? Yeah, the Yondu thing is probably Yoda. We will not consume the Yoda. We will consume the Yondu. Okay, yeah. Next fridge.
What are you doing? Wow, this fridge is full to the brim. I'm impressed you fit all of those drinks in there, but where are the food containers? I'm also curious as to why you have a toilet lid in your fridge.
Toilet lid? Is it the jar?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I don't know either.
Just stop talking.
I send you the
Please.
picture again. Because you
Stop.
will need to... You have to look
Stop.
at this though. No!
No. Stop sending me things. I don't want to know anything. Please stop doing this to me.